Ladies and gentlemen, today we are continuing doing the toilets, so the drywall of the toilets, and we will show something that we did in the workshop, like, I don't know, improvements or whatever, and then we will start manufacturing the table for the office. For the moment we are waiting to finish the office, so to make the paint job and the end of the plaster. But today we are alone, so we will do what we can. And here, so the drywall, everything is almost ready. We just have to mount everything for the drywall. Let's try to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, here we will continue our drywall. So you see the structure is here. Now we will just have to close it with this plaster boards. And I would like to show you what we did in the workshop during these days. Well, so as you understood, probably the drywall is not very difficult. You need to assemble the structure and then you put them like this. And once it's done, you will have to put some plaster to close or mop or something like this. And then, but before I would like to put, the light cable here. So now, I wanted just to try if it fits. Actually, it fits. So I will have to make an electric cable because you need light in the toilet. Well, let's go down and see. So in the workshop, I installed all the electrics that we need. Check this out. So here we still have some dead cables, but before I know where they go and what are they for, I won't remove them. So I put, new wiring. Inside I put new differentials. So here we have all the plugs that are done like this, you see? Like this you have 12 meters. To put your equipment on, and it doesn't hang everywhere. It's like this. So now it works. We have, the electricity switch for outside and for inside. I think maybe I'll put some more, but for the moment these are working and functional. I cleaned and I plugged all the pneumatic system. These were from an old workshop, but finally, they are reused here. So they are two like this. The electrical, all the plugs, I put three phases plugs, so they can be used. The compressor, the new one, is now functional. And I also reanimated the old machine. It's called a lathe, I think. The machine where the piece is turning and you can cut it or something, or you can give it shape. I would like to show you actually what it is. So now this machine is functional. It's a machine like after war French industry and heavy industry. So this one is from 52. The date of manufacturing is 4 April 52. And the brand is Ernaud Batignolles, you can see. So it's quite good machine, it's not a toy. And I remember, when I was young, we were using this kind of machines at school. I was in school where you were learning to use this kind of machines. Well, for cool kids, they were doing economics, but you had to pay to do economics. My parents did not, I was from quite modest family. So that's why I wasn't doing economics. I was going to do this manual works. And we had an old teacher. Now I remember how we were breaking his balls, but for us it was just fun, And when you were working, he was standing somewhere and he was holding a stick. And if you were doing something wrong, he was hitting you with the stick. This time when I was kid, for me it was like, that's bad and stuff. But now I know that using this machine, you can lose your fingers. That's why, I think it was a good idea. Yeah, so here you have, the, how do you call it? speeds, gear, like a gearbox. You can see gears, they are inside. You see, here I cleaned. I have to, to put new oil in it, because now for the moment there's just few oil. I'll have to buy special oil for this machine. And actually it works. Let me show you. You see the magic. And here you put some tools like this one, tools to cut. You put them in. And what you have to be careful about, you always need to put your sleeves up, because otherwise it can turn, and it has a very big power, so it can put you in. You see, reverse, you can go both sides. And this is the brake. That's it. So the old machine is alive. I woke up the old metal. So now I think we will have to continue managing the workshop to make everything functional, but already the biggest part of the space is functional. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. We will come soon with another episode. So now I will have to manufacture some piles. So see you later. Like, subscribe. Thank you.